Hello everyone, and welcome to a fun English quiz. Let's practice how to tell the time in English. Are you ready? It's 7:30. It's 9:15. It's 2:45. It's 11 o'clock. It's 5:10. It's 20 to 9. It's 12 o'clock. It's 3:05. It's 10 to 5. It's 10:30. It's 1:20. It's 25 to 7. It's 9:45. It's 2:15. It's 7:05. It's 8:25. It's 5 to 11. It's 1:45. It's 4:30. It's 5:25. It's 6:15. It's 10 to 4. It's 1:45. It's 9:05. It's 20 to 12. It's 8:10. It's 25 to 3. It's 10 to 8. It's 6:45. It's 3:25. It's 9:30. It's 12:15. It's 25 to 6. It's 20:10. It's 5 to 9. It's 4:05. It's 20 to 8. It's 10 to 3. It's 11:25. It's 1:10. It's 5 to 10. It's 20 to 4. It's 6:25. It's 5:45. It's 10:15. Great job! You're getting really good at telling the time. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Are you usually an early person or a night owl? See you next time.